y'all, welcome back to my channel. So my husband and I just got back from Ikea. I'm in a little bit of an organizational mood. So this is, I'll turn y'all around. This is our, don't worry about that, but this is our laundry room right now. So that's just the organizer, and then we have these at the top, and then nothing over here, and then this is just where I keep my Dyson plugged in. So what we're gonna do is we bought Ikea the PAX system frame, which is this long box, and then that's the 19-inch, and then I got the compliment clothes rack along with 3 shelves. And then there was also a storage bin laundry organizer, but they were out of stock in the store, so we're gonna order that online or see if we can get it from a different store. But what I'm thinking, this is what we're doing. We moved the washer and dryer to the far end of the wall. Then we're going to put the the PAX system here. And then I'm taking I'm not doing anything. My husband's doing this. I'm taking this off. The towels will go on the shelves over here, and then I want to put a wood piece on the top of this. I know I've seen that a lot on Instagram and stuff. So that's what I'm thinking, and then I'll get like some pictures or something from Hobby Lobby. So right now I'm gonna show you us putting it together, putting it into the wall, and then I'll probably do like a part 2 for the actual rest of the makeover of the laundry room. So hope you enjoy, and make sure to hit that red subscribe button and thumbs up and any comments down below.
Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love, in love, in love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling in love, in love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love, in love, in love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling in love, in love, in love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. The best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
Okay y'all, so we tried to fit the shelf in to see if it would fit in this area, and it was kind of tight. So my husband thought it would be best if we took that baseboard part out, so that was what he was doing in that clip.
That we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, in love, in love, in love. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, in love, in love, in love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love, in love, in love. The way my lips feel on your body,
finish up these holes in the wall, we bought this this dry Dex spackling. I guess you just put this, it's like the hole filler, and then we'll paint over it, and then we'll hang the items that I got from at home to decorate the actual room.
I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
Okay, and these are the signs I got. I got all 3 of these things from at home. The black and white sign, the laundry sign I want to say was $12.99, and then this lint bin my husband actually got for me, and I think it was $17.99, which is kind of pricey, but it was about the same price on Amazon.
For that, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you.
And this is my father-in-law helping me hang this sign. My husband was doing some work and was unavailable for the moment, and my in-laws are in town for the week, so he was helping me hang a few things as well.
With every move I make, you're falling.
Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna put the laundry detergent and then the fabric softener in these little dispensers. I got these from Five Below for a July 4th barbecue like 2 years ago, but they were only $5, and I don't mind using these, and I can always just replace these, although they're pretty nifty for parties. I don't want to buy like super expensive jugs to go in the laundry room, so I'm gonna use these.
Ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I just put the laundry detergent, scent beads. I need to find my little checker thing for that, and then the fabric softener. We built this shelf from Ikea. I'll put the details down below. I want to say the total to build this was $129. It wasn't expensive, and then with Ikea you just make what you want. The laundry hampers down there. Got this laundry sign from at home. Washer and dryer were already here. These were from at home, and this is like a little lint bin, and you can just, I guess, throw your extra lint in there. When you're ready to empty it, you can empty it. And this is a laundry organizer. I need to get a new one from, I got this from Big Lots, but I want to get like a fancier one. Maybe I'll look on Amazon. But hope you enjoyed this quick little simple laundry makeover. Of course, I want to do some other things. I'm thinking now actually about painting this wall some type of color situation, and maybe decide to. But any ideas or tips, just leave those comments down below. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.